Used by many of the largest school districts in the world, Tynker has everything you need to implement a successful coding program. K-12 teachers everywhere prefer Tynker's Premium Curriculum to guide their students to coding success. With Premium, teachers gain access to over 1,000 plus hours of standards-based coding courses, integrated STEAM lessons for every subject area, amazing lesson extensions, explore web development, data science, AI, and more. Premium Tynker teachers get access to a world of platform advantages. First-class support with a quick resolution time. Dozens of live and recorded training options. 3 levels of Tynker certifications to build mastery in instructional delivery. Thousands of districts and schools trust Tynker because it provides diverse and inclusive content, district and school-wide metrics for accountability and results, enhanced privacy and student data control, plus an award-winning turnkey platform that paves the path of computer science mastery from pre-readers to pre-college. What will your students create with Tynker Premium?